everybody, we are back in Alhamra Center, and today our day is gonna start by lunch. We didn't have our breakfast, we were asleep since morning, so we have come to where? Oh yes, we have come to Nando's. We have ordered our food, and after that we are gonna go to China Mall, which is the biggest mall of Emirates, and we might get some nice things to buy. Today is the shopping day. Tomorrow is our last day here. Tomorrow's plan is to visit all our friends. We're gonna give some time to our friends, so they're gonna come over here to visit us. हम लोगों ने खाना खा लिया और मुझे अभी याद आया कि मैंने खाने का क्लिप नहीं बनाया, तो जो खाली प्लेट रह गई हैं आप उसको देख लो। आज तक कभी भी किसी ने इतना इम्प्रॉपर अनऑर्गेनाइज क्लिप नहीं बनाया होगा जैसा मैंने बनाया। सही है ना? Guys, I found a very good singer. Let's go and ask him to sing on this camera. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, good. Are you singing?
Yeah.
Come on, sing it for me. You're good. Very good.
Thank you.
Your sound is good. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Sing?
Yeah. Your voice is good. That's why I came from there to here.
Which one?
Yeah, the one you were singing just now.
के लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे खिलता गुलाब जैसे सुबह का चाँद जैसे वन में हिरन जैसे चांदनी रात जैसे मंदिर में हो एक जलता दिया एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा।
Wow, brilliant. Well done, well done, well done. A big applause to this gentleman. Very good, well done.
Thank you.
If you guys come to this Nando's, this is Mr. Sarkar. Come and tell him my name. He will give you discount.
Oh.
Mr. Sarkar will be in trouble. Yeah, the big boss is gonna say, why are you giving discount here? By the way, thank you very much for everybody. I have got very good response on my safari clip, so keep encouraging me guys, keep leaving your comments so I know what I'm doing. If I'm doing anything wrong, I will get a chance to improve it. I'll see you soon.